Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have Ipsy Unbagging. So this is for March 2021 bag. I've actually already opened it. I've seen everything that's in there. But I went ahead and opened it so that I could take the bubble wrap and stuff off. So I'm not doing that on video. But yeah, so I'm going to reopen it. I did have some add-ons, so I'll share those first. So let's see what we got. Alright, so the first add-on that I have is this Eco Fabulous blush in the shade Camellia. So this is what the outside looks like. If I can easily get this opened. This shade is gorgeous. Like I want the glare to get it. But the shade is so pretty. It's so shimmery. Let's see if I can swatch it. It's so pretty. So this again was like an add-on, and I think this was like $3. It wasn't that expensive at all. Then the second add-on I have is a Jewel Smith Beauty lip gloss. It's just a clear lip gloss. I like colored lip glosses, but then like when I'm at work or obviously when I'm putting on the mask, clear just kind of works better. So again, and this wasn't but like $2 or $3 also. And then this was another add-on, and this is a conditioning lip oil. So this is still, it's a really cute color, but I'm sure it's going to show up clear. So those were the only things I have for my add-on. So this came with in the bag, but yeah, I don't think it could fit in there. So this is the beauty brush. I'm not exactly sure which one this one is. I'm not really big on the brushes yet. We're getting there, so we'll see. We'll work with it. And now moving into the bag. So this is the outside. This is not my favorite bag. This is the little string on it. Again, this is not my favorite. Just because I feel like they could have done more. I don't feel like this matches, but it's fine. No, I don't buy these for the bag. So the first one that I got is the Element Beauty. And this is another blush. Or no, it's not a blush. Sorry. This is the eyeshadow. I think I got another blush in here. And this is purple. So this one shows up a little bit more pink, I feel like. But this is like a very light purple with the glitter. So let's see. We'll do this one first. So there that one goes. And it shows up, that's that one. So it shows up really dark on camera. And then I want to get this on the same one. And then the lighter purple. Right there. Yeah, see, it's very light compared. And it kind of does look like a pink, but it's not. It's purple. So comes in a little case like that. So very pretty. I'm excited to try those, especially because the color on my scrubs is purple too. So it works. So then next, we got the Mented Bombs Away Coconut Lip Treatment. And I don't know about y'all, but wearing these masks, I have the driest lips. And after having COVID, I had the driest lips then too. And I feel like they're just not getting back right. And that was in January. So I'm stocking up on these. And then next, so this was the other blush I was talking about. The Lottie London. See if I could find the shade, and I don't see one. Okay. Just says Ombre Blush. This is the color. And this is so pretty too, because to me it seems more like a highlighter. Oh, maybe not. It's a little bit more pigmented than I thought. So here we go. Super pretty though. I would like that as an eyeshadow. That's really pretty. But it's a blush. So I'm gonna try it. Then next is the Real Magnet from Benefit. So it's a mascara. This is, I guess, what it's supposed to look like. And this is one thing I cannot go without. I don't do the fake lashes. I tried for my wedding and they came off before I walked down the aisle. So there's that. So mascara is my go-to, because if I don't have mascara, it just is not working for me. So before I open it, this is just what the tube looks like. And then, let's see, fresh out, there's the tip. So we'll see, because most of the time, like, these just give you length, the ones that look like that, but I need volume. I need them to look a little full too, because the length just doesn't do it for me because my eyelashes are so thin. But I'm excited to try this. So yeah, that was all for this month. So I mean, I got a good little bit of stuff, just, you know. But if you don't know what Ipsy is I want to say it's $12 a month now. But it's just a monthly subscription, and you take a quiz when you first sign up, and you can go back and change it throughout the time of your subscription, and they match your beauty products to that. Some things I have gotten twice, and thankfully I've liked those items that I've gotten twice, so I'm not mad. But I'll leave the my link below if you want to sign up. It's not affiliated, or I'm not getting paid for this, so, but you can use my link just to show some support though. And start getting your bags, because for $12 a month, then you can get 5 products. Sometimes they're full size. I've had some of those products just are still in my makeup bag for like last year. So yeah, I think it's worth it. So again, I will leave the link below if you want to sign up today. Go ahead and sign up, and let me know if you do. Let me know how you like it. But don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and hit the bell so that you can get notified when I do other unbaggings. Thanks for watching, guys.